Hi friends, today I will be discussing on match function. So match function basically works on a one-dimensional array. So what is that one-dimension array? Like this is one-dimensional array. So one row or it may be one column. So this is one-dimensional array and match function will work on this. So my motive is like I want to get the position. So depending on a array, it will return the position. So for this particular value. So here actually basically profit and loss value is there. So I want to see what is the position of profit and loss in this one dimension array. So basically this is reference position. So first one is dates. So one, and then second one is order ID, third one is product, fourth is salesman, fifth region, sixth no customer and number of customers, and seven net sales, and profit and loss is the eighth. So match function will return here eighth value because this is the position in this array. So let's see how we can write this match function. Equal to a matrix match, and then this is the lookup value. I will search for this value, and then I need to select the range. So range will be this one dimension array, and then third parameter will be providing exact match. If I as I need exact value, exact match for this profit and loss word or string, so then I need to put 0. So 0 is for exact match. Okay, C3. Okay. So here you see it is showing 8. So I'm getting the position for this profit and loss. Okay, now I will see the value for this 2nd January 2012. So here is this value. I need to find the position of this value in this date column for this table. So here first reference will be dates, so that is 1, and then 2 is 1st January, third position will be 2nd January 2012. So order date is 2nd January. So using match function, I will get value here 3, match for the date. So I will write function like this. Similarly, here 1st May 2013. So here it is not there. It will be somewhere in this array. So we'll be getting 2013, 1st May 2013 value also. So we'll get that position using our match function. So let's write match function for that. It will be equal to a matrix match. Again it will be, so it will be this value will be at b5, and then we need to select the range. So we need function when there are lots of value. So in this table also we have lots of value, so we cannot do it manually. So that's why we'll be using this function, and we need exact match, so it will be 0. Oh, I think I deleted that. Just control, sorry, control Z. Okay, so oh, it is here. So it is false basically if I don't give any value. So as I want to implement this formula for whole say, one dimension array, I need to put here sorry, I need to put here dollar b dollar column number. So basically we are giving dollar to fix that particular range. As I am dragging this formula, so the range will not change actually due to that. See here, dollar B and dollar 17 is there. Dollar B, dollar 1342 is fixed. Here also it will be same. So as I am giving dollar here, this value is not changing, but you see B9 it is changing. So this value will change. So now check this one, 22 January 2012. So here position is being displayed as 22. So this is one, two, three. This is 2nd January 12. So now I need to go to 22 position. One in 22 position we will get second 22nd January uh, 12. So that is quite obvious, right? So we are in January month and it will be at 22nd row. So here you see it is at 22nd row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that's it. So this is match function. So using this match function, we can get particular position in compare with some reference. Like here, date is the reference. So we are calculating position on the basis of this. So this is match function, guys. This is very important when we use this match function in another function to utilize this position and manipulate this value actually. So in a normal scenario, if we need particularly any position, we can use match, but mostly we can use match function in another function. So I will show you in next video. Thank you, guys. Thanks, bye, and comments me if you have any query, or I hope you will be subscribing my channel and also you will like this. Thank you.